How to turn green messages on iPhone to blue messages. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, it is very crucial to understand that blue messages is iMessage and green messages is the regular SMS or MMS. Blue messages is sent via iMessage, that is Apple's internet messaging system, and green is sent via SMS. So first things first, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option you see there. Scroll down again and tap on messages. Here, make sure the toggle button for iMessage is toggled on in order to enable iMessage and send blue bubble message. Also, make sure that you are signed in to your Apple ID and the send and receive option has your number or email checked. Next, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as iMessage only works with internet, so you can simply switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if any of them is facing the issue. Also, make sure that the person whom you are sending the message uses iMessage. So even if you have iMessage on your iPhone, if the other person has Android phone or has not enabled iMessage yet, then the iMessage or the blue message will not be sent, and it will be sent as green either. Also, if the issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps you in fixing network glitches and iMessage errors on your iPhone. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for sign out. So go ahead and sign yourself out and then sign back in, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So this was about how you can turn green messages on iPhone to blue message. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.